Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up Douyin account. Maybe you have never heard of Douyin, but I'm pretty sure that you must know TikTok well because TikTok is so popular, so fun, and time consuming. So many people addict to use it. Actually, Douyin is a Chinese TikTok. Both TikTok and Douyin belong to the same company, ByteDance company. But Chinese people are restricted to use TikTok. So I've always thought that foreigners are not able to use Douyin, and I wrote an answer about that on Quora. One day, there is a guy correct my answer. He said he is from overseas country, not from China, and he has been using Douyin for quite a while. Normally, I don't believe that. So I asked my foreign friends to check it out. And in the end, they proved that Douyin is available for foreigners. But I can't guarantee all of you can get Douyin account and use it due to some unknown reasons after watching my video. Now, let's look at a little bit who was using Douyin from overseas.
Six-figure discussions, dinners in public, my linen all tailored, my outstanding payments swift like Taylor, and boy I owe them man a beating.
What's going on, China? Justin Bieber here. I just wanted to say I know it's a very scary time in your country right now, but my prayers and support go out to you guys. You guys are amazing. Talk to you soon.
John Mendes, and I'm super excited to finally be on Douyin. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon. Shishi. Hey.
Yeah, check it out, man. It's your boy Akon, and I'm officially on Douyin. And we're doing it way, way big right now because I'm going to challenge you, and I'm expecting you to challenge me. You feel me? I'm doing everything, including
I guess I'm on Douyin now.
Hi fam, I wanted to get on here and wish you guys a very happy Chinese New Year. I think in the last year we've learned a lot about how to be resilient. And this year, as we move into the year of the tiger, let's take more risks, let's go on some adventures, and let's make this year our best year yet. Love you, Mad Fam.
Ni hao! Hello to all my fans in China. I'm so excited to join Douyin, and I'm even more excited to return as Wonder Woman in my new movie, Wonder Woman 1984. Join me on this adventure full of humor, heart, and breathtaking action on December 18th.
Hi everyone, Happy New Year! 新年快乐，虎虎生威，恭喜发财！Нихао Douyin, я российская фигуристка Оксана Туса. Сегодня я открываю свой аккаунт Douyin, и я рада буду встретиться с вами на этой платформе.
Hey, T-Mac here. I hope I didn't make you guys wait too long. Please follow me on Douyin account and let's have some fun. Stay tuned.
I don't want to be Michael Jordan. I don't want to be Magic. I don't want to be Bird or Isaiah. I don't want to be any of those guys. You know, when my career is over, I'm going to look in the mirror and say I did it my way.
I'm D-Rose. Why can't I be the MVP of the league?
Oh, too big, too strong, too fast, too good.
Ni hao, China. It's Trey Young here. Just wanted you guys to know first that I'm making my Douyin account.
If you are interested in China, Chinese culture, Chinese food, Chinese language, Chinese people, or what's the news to China, then you definitely need to use Douyin as it covers everything you want. Douyin has become the most popular and most used platform in China, and there is a new trending business model: selling product through Douyin, selling product through Livestream on Douyin, and I think it will be used in TikTok soon, so don't miss the chance. First thing first, you need to download Douyin app. You can download it from Google Play Store or Apple Store. And if you can't find it, I recommend you to use Chinese App Store like Huawei App Store, Xiaomi App Store, or OnePlus App Store, etc. If you are using an Android phone, I can share the app with you. Just leave the comment on my website or comment below. Now open Douyin app and then click on 同意 here, this one, to agree to the privacy policy protection. Wow, there is a beautiful Chinese woman. Scroll the screen to next video just like TikTok. It may request your permission to use your phone info. You can decide to allow it or deny it. The app detects my phone number automatically. If it detects your phone number as well, all you need to do is click here, the privacy policy and user terms. And then click on 一键登录 to log in to Douyin. Once you confirm that your phone number will be registered automatically, I don't think the detection will be working all the time, so I show you more specific information about Douyin registration. Click on 其他手机登录 click here. Don't forget to check here. Okay, now you can select your region code and enter your mobile phone number. Check here again. Maybe you are not able to register Douyin account somehow. You can click here 其他方式登录 and you will see you can log in with 头条, QQ, WeChat and Weibo account directly. If you have those accounts, you can log into Douyin directly without registration. If you don't, then please check out my other videos or go to my website to check out how to sign up and use Chinese social media. ChinaHelpForYou.com, ChinaHelpForYou.com. I explain everything in detail. And I leave a related links below. And then click on 验证并登录 to verify and log in. Just wait a second. Now enter your name here and tap here to upload your profile picture. If you don't want to set it up right now, you can click on here to skip it. After that, click on here to log in to Douyin account. Yes, that is. As most Chinese apps require your phone number to sign an account, so the password setting was skipped. You might need to set a password for your account. I will show you how to set up or change password for Douyin account in next video. See you next time, guys.